This tutorial review will show you how to clear WhatsApp storage space. If you're an iPhone user, you can view how much space WhatsApp is taking up on your device and free up storage by deleting items. To do that, open your WhatsApp app, tap on Settings at the bottom right, then tap on Storage and Data, tap on Manage Storage, and here tap on Chats, tap on Select, and now you can select all items to delete to free up your WhatsApp storage. And another way to free up your WhatsApp storage is clearing your WhatsApp cache files. If you're an Android user, then go to Settings and search for WhatsApp and open it, and you have to clear the cache and data files for WhatsApp. And if you're an iPhone user, then go to Settings and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, search for WhatsApp. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on Offload app, and then reinstall the WhatsApp app from here. And this is how we can clear WhatsApp storage space. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.